Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make rope. So you can make like a lantern like this or whatever you want with it. So it's really easy to do, so all you got to do is this. So get your parts, whatever you want to attach it to, so it could be like your lantern, and the bit that's attached to is invisible by the way, it's not just floating. Okay, right, so get your rope, click here, if you didn't get that, I'll go back to it quite quick. So up here where it says home, go to model, then click drop down, click the rope, then click whichever part you want to be the primary part, doesn't matter in this case. Then click the next part and you're done. If you go to view and properties, you can change lots of things about the rope, like the colour of the rope, thickness of the rope, so on, the length and how elastic it is. You can also set the attachments manually. So that's how you do a ROBLOX. I hope this was helpful. If it was, please like and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. There'll be some more physics tutorials and other ROBLOX Studio tutorials on my channel. See you later.